Here we have Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, match Evo 80 PS. The car's in great shape and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, a hydraulic brake assist, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, and these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. Now, the boot's very deep and very spacious, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, Volkswagen Connect, and 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.